Hey, what's up? As I promised, today we post the second video about Ulefone Armor X5 Pro. Actually, this is the last video about this smartphone. We already made unboxing, performance test, camera test and battery test. The links to them are in description. In this video we will talk about pros and cons of Ulefone Armor X5 Pro. I have been using this phone for about 2 weeks, so I can tell you what I like and dislike in this device. Please hit the like button and let's get started. The main feature of Ulefone Armor X5 Pro is rugged design. The smartphone has waterproof and shockproof case. It is protected by IP68 and IP69 case standards. Also, the rugged design means that you can shoot the photos and videos under the water. There is even a special underwater mode in Camera Up. Ulefone Armor X5 Pro has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal memory. I think it is a lot of memory for budget phone. You know, the processor in this smartphone is quite old, but 4GB of RAM provides a good performance. Later we will talk about chipset. By the way, you can also use microSD memory card. The smartphone has only dual camera, but the main 13-megapixel sensor makes really good photos. I was especially surprised by the night photos. They are very good for budget device. Ulefone Armor X5 Pro has 5000 mAh battery. We have already made battery test of this phone, and the battery life is good. The smartphone runs about 9.5 hours on a single charge with continuous video playback on YouTube. You know that many people use their mobile devices for contactless payments. Ulefone Armor X5 Pro has NFC, so you can use it for contactless payments. You can add Google Pay or any other payment system. Finally, the last feature of this phone is price. I have already told you that this is a budget phone. The lowest price is on Banggood right now, $120. I think it is a good price for this smartphone. Ulefone Armor X5 Pro is a budget phone, so it definitely has drawbacks. However, I want to say right away that for $120 smartphone, they are not critical. First, you should know that Ulefone Armor X5 Pro has HD Plus display with resolution of 1440 by 720 pixels. There are some other budget phones with Full HD Plus resolution, so I think that this is a drawback of Ulefone device. It should have Full HD display. In general, the smartphone has good performance, but I think it is because of 4GB of RAM. The chipset is quite old. This is Helio P22. Ulefone device has only 86,000 points in AnTuTu. It is a low result for 2020. From other side, you can play almost any games on this phone, for example PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty. I said that Ulefone Armor X5 Pro has good battery life. However, the phone supports only 10 watts charging. The full battery charge takes almost 4 hours, and that's very long. This is probably the main drawback of this phone for me. So I think we can finish the review of Ulefone Armor X5 Pro. Do you like this mobile device? Write in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.